Across school districts, digital resources are growing every day. Documents, videos, presentations, images, and instructional materials scattered across drives, emails, and shared folders. Teachers struggle to locate the right learning material at the right time. Students and parents face limited access to curated content. Administrators spend valuable time managing, organizing, and updating resources across multiple systems, often without visibility or analytics. In today's digital-first learning environment, schools need more than a shared drive. They need an intelligent, centralized, and easy-to-use library that puts knowledge at everyone's fingertips. Introducing eLibrary, a smart, cloud-based digital library built to empower school districts with easy access, management, and sharing of digital learning resources. eLibrary is a one-stop platform for administrators, teachers, and students, designed to store, organize, and explore materials of every kind: documents, images, videos, and more. With AI-assisted search, category-based browsing, and user-friendly dashboards, eLibrary transforms how districts manage and distribute knowledge. The eLibrary comes with two core modules: Admin Module and User Module, each designed to simplify how digital content is managed and consumed across the district. Admin Module: manage, organize, and publish with ease. The Admin Dashboard provides a complete snapshot of the library's latest uploads and trends. Admins can add new materials with just a few clicks, entering key details such as title, category, author, file type, and keywords. With powerful management tools, administrators can create or modify categories, organize content, and monitor activity in real time. The built-in category management and advanced search options ensure every file is easily discoverable. Admins can also view trending categories, track downloads, and analyze which materials are most accessed, helping them curate better, more relevant content for educators and students. For end users, the experience is intuitive and engaging. Teachers and students can search for materials using keywords, categories, or file types, and even filter results through list, grid, or catalog views. They can view or download documents, watch videos with transcriptions, and explore the latest or trending uploads. The advanced search feature allows users to search by exact phrases or keywords, while trending categories display the most popular subjects across the district. From lesson plans to multimedia content, the eLibrary ensures every user finds what they need, anytime, anywhere. With eLibrary, school districts gain a secure, scalable, and intelligent knowledge hub. Administrators manage content efficiently, teachers access high-quality resources instantly, and students engage with interactive materials that enhance learning outcomes. By transforming scattered files into an organized digital ecosystem, eLibrary enables schools to save time, reduce effort, and elevate the quality of instruction. eLibrary: simplify access, amplify learning, empower every educator. Thank you for watching. Discover how your district can unlock the power of digital learning with eLibrary.